because it's so exciting to open this up and use these. Here we go. All right, so we got Calmer and Tamer. So we have Calmer is the roll-on blend for kids and also adults, and the roll-on just means it's pre-diluted. It's got essential oils in here as well to support rest. And let's see the oils in here. So we're going to see, we have fractionated coconut oil, lavender, cananga, as well as Buddha wood, hey Buddha, and then Roman chamomile. And so that's what's in here, and you can see there's a date on here, so you can go to source2u.com and learn more about that, as well as the quality of the oils with the GCMS test results. So here you go. Awesomeness. Yeah, the numbers are a little hard to read, so it might be a little easier on bigger bottles like this. You can kind of see here. Yeah, the numbers are a lot easier to read, but we'll get into that. Then we have Tamer. Tamer is the digestive blend. So you could see a focus this month. I would argue every month is on digestion, because digestion is a very important part of your immune system, especially with everything going on out there, all the craziness, or the invisible enemy, as they say. It's important to support your digestion. Your small intestine is a large part of your immune system. The gut-brain axis, as it's called, with regards to supporting your gut, which will support your brain. And yeah, what you put in and on your body is going to be very important. So the digestive blend is a roll-on, contains fractionated coconut oil, spearmint, Japanese peppermint, yeah. All right, ginger, as well as black pepper and parsley. Very interessante. All right, combining lots of different languages today. Not really, but here we go. There's that. And we have clove. Clove is a hotter oil. You can put this. I've done some videos. Well, I've done videos on all these products, but clove is a hotter oil, and it has. These are good in cooking recipes. In a veggie capsule would probably be the way I recommend it if you just want to take it solo. But yeah, 1 or 2 drops in a veggie capsule, and doTERRA offers those as well, and that's going to support a lot of different things. Primarily, it's going to support your immune system and digestive health as well. But yeah, clove, very hot oil. It's going to take care of a lot of stuff down there. I did get a number of the same oils, so these are duplicates, because I use them a lot in my green smoothies to clean my hands. And you want to make sure with any citrus oil you use, this is lemon, you want to make sure to use glass, stainless steel, or ceramic container. And you also want to make sure that you don't go out in the sun with these on your skin unless you have some sun protection. Ideally, some type of zinc oxide. The Honest brand is a really good one with regards to something for your sun with regards to that. Or you can make your own, which is what I was referring to the zinc oxide for. There's recipes and things I've done on my YouTube channel as well. You can probably type in like Lance McGowan and then like sun protection or sun spray, and something should pop up. But yeah, lemon's really good. Love it. This is very uplifting, very cleansing. And I use it so much that I got a bunch of them. And again, I used product credits this month, so make sure to see what I got for free. And then we're going to put those off to the side. Then I got duplicates of the Breathe. This is going to support your immune system, and this is the respiratory blend, which is very important. I live in Las Vegas, where there's casinos where they still smoke inside of there. The Park MGM doesn't have any smoking inside, which I really appreciate, but there are casinos that, it's funny because like they'll focus on masks, but they allow smoking, but then there's the invisible enemy out there going out there, which is a respiratory thing. So why do I use Breathe and mention all that? Because, well, this is the respiratory blend. This supports your immune system, and this is, you can also use this, a drop in your mask when you're walking around to help support your immune system and not be counterproductive like what's going on out there. But anyways, what's in here? You got laurel leaf, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree or melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, ravinsara, and ravintsara. So there's 2 types. And I actually use this with fractionated coconut oil on my face. It may sound kind of crazy, but fractionated coconut oil or organic or raw coconut oil after I shower or before I go to bed, and then a drop of this, and I do a drop of lavender all over my face and head, because it's going to support my clear skin, so it's going to take care of the acne, but it also supports my immune system, so that's going to be very important as I go out and about throughout the day. And you can also clean your hands with it. This has a lot of great topical skin immune system uses, and I got 2 of them, so I have a backup. And that's kind of how I operate with the oils, is I have my main one, and then when that runs out, I have a backup, and then when I get about halfway, or once I start with the backup one, that's when I order another one or put it in my doTERRA LRP cart for later. And then peppermint, just a staple oil here that I use to put on the top of my hand, lick it off. That's going to support alertness, focus, digestion. Again, a big focus on digestion because that's, you know, your small intestines is a huge part of your immune system, so that is very, very important. Again, what you put on and in your body. And then peppermint, very cooling as well, and so I put a drop, lick it off, and then I also, yeah, that's primarily how I use it, and I just keep it in my pocket. Usually I keep a citrus oil and peppermint in my pocket at all times because these will take care of a lot of things when you're out and about. A lot, you'll be surprised. And if it's not lemon, it's wild orange. If it's not, you know, wild orange, then it might be lime or grapefruit, but typically lemon or wild orange are the two ones that I keep in my pocket at all times with a peppermint. And then that concludes everything here. There's some little cards here with regards to that. And this video of the doTERRA LRP really builds on my previous one, which was the top 7 oils, the top 7 doTERRA oils for October. And this is kind of a manifestation or a visual representation of a lot of those, minus the Rose Touch, because that's pretty much the only thing I didn't get, but Rose is a very high vibration oil that I highly recommend getting for you. And it's in a roll-on bottle that's easy to apply, so you kind of get a really easy way to apply it and use it and support your body. And there's benefits here: provides an uplifting aroma, helps balance moisture levels in the skin, and promotes an even skin tone and healthy looking complexion. So that is the Rose Touch, or the roll-on version of rose oil. So if you've been wanting to get some rose oil, some pure rose oil, high vibration rose oil, this month 15% off, and you want to make sure to get that before they run out. And that concludes everything for this video. What are the next steps? Well, the next steps are to basically take packages like this and open them up, right? So what I want to do is open them up, put them where they need to be, and what this does is it reduces barriers to use, because sometimes we forget to use these, or we don't put them in places where we see them, and so I, you know, unwrap them, unbox them, as you see here, and then I put them in places where I can't help but see them and use them. So that way I'm constantly being reminded, like, hey, I need to be using these daily, you know, I do this daily, I do this daily. I mean, I pretty much use everything daily here. And then there's some as needed ones, but I want to make sure I know where they're at, and I want to make sure if somebody in my life needs something that I can help them immediately, because the purpose of the doTERRA LRP is to have natural solutions within arm's reach, so that when life's little emergencies pop up, and they, you know, they always pop up, you have something that you can grab and go and know how the benefits and uses properly, so you can help yourself, help your friend, help your coworker, or help your family in a very meaningful, natural, safe, and effective way that is affordable. I mean, I've saved so much money. I get so many free products. Again, I will list all those below of which ones I got for free this month, because it was a lot this month. Over $100 worth of free stuff. So I'm really excited to use these. It's like Christmas in a box. I'll say it again because it's true, because it's so exciting to open this up and use these to help my body, and I notice my health and acne, my acne clears up, my health, my energy is, you know, has improved. I've used these products and doTERRA since 2013, of November of 2013, and it's been an amazing 7 years almost here, and absolutely love these and highly recommend them to everyone. Based on what your health priority is. That's what you always start with. What is my health priority? And then where do I go from there with regards to understanding the benefits and uses of a particular product? Well, that concludes everything. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I will see you in the next video.